What are you doing?
This is the shutter activator. I'm gonna keep the brass part. Did you turn a movie on for a while or something?
I did.
I'm gonna keep the brass part clean, non-painted. Then I'm gonna paint the rest of this black. Just this little part. Looks like a dog.
Yeah.
Ruff, ruff. Got a tail.
It's a greyhound.
How is that going on there? What's that? Oh, wouldn't you want somebody to love? You better find somebody to love.
You better watch out or we have a copyright problem.
I don't think they'll have any problem of knowing that that was not copying anybody. Doesn't sound like anything.
Sounded like Jim Carrey singing the cable guy or whatever it was.
You better find somebody to love. I'll paint it black.
I saw a red dress and I wanted painted black.
Red dress? Red door.
I know.
You want to paint a red dress black?
Yeah, any dresses I see that are black or red, I want to paint them black.
No colors anymore, I want them to be black. No, that's gonna be tricky right there.
As soon as you get it done masking on the back, I'll just start it again.
Okay. Somewhere over the rainbow. I really need to hang it up somewhere to paint it. Guess I could go out in the garage and do it, huh? Somewhere. Crayapa. When you wish upon a star. Makes no difference.
Leave long enough tape on the back if you're going to hang it up somewhere. You can use the tape. Hang it up over the top of that. And then spray the new roof.
Yeah, I don't want to do that.
Or the ceiling.
We're going to take it out in the garage. You and I can take it out in the garage, mister. I can hold it like that.
Leo sandblasted it, huh?
Yeah. Okay. Get the bottom two.
What?
So I'll get the bottom two. Just go out there.
Well, go.
It's raining.
I don't think it's raining right now.
The dog's tail's wagging. Water. Oh, it's running. See it running? See it running just as fast as you can. Oh, sucker's a little heavy. Little dog.
A little greyhound, blackhound.
What do you think? What do you think?
I hope it works.
Yeah. That would be a plus. It should. I don't know why it wouldn't. It moves. It hinges.
Yeah.
See anything?
No.
It'll look good on your chrome.
Yeah. Shutter.
Yeah. That's right, mister. You know what? I need to hang it up while it dries.
Hang it up then.
Okay.
There's that piece that Steve painted,
Painted this the other day.
and that's the valve, that the little mechanism that opens and closes the shutters. Through a,
Hook's on there somewhere. Oh, it's not on there. It's that piece over there if you want to get it.
oh,
This goes
goes into the water, and then when that gets hot,
in here.
so it's almost like one of them things that heat up your coffee.
And this is adjustable. And you set the temperature. Old man,
Bus guy.
where are you filming? Don't put it on me. Anyway, that's what I believe old bus guy or whatever his name of his channel is. think that's for the shutters.
There's got to be some line for this then.
Yeah, it goes, yeah.
So where is that?
I don't know about that. Might be around somewhere.
Maybe, what's his name on that bus thing? I'm right on that thing. That guy that's on Facebook, the bus guy. What's his name? Maybe he can help you with what this is.
Bill? Oh, I know what it is. I just don't know
Well, maybe you can ask him.
where
Say,
it goes.
Need your help.
It goes into that. I can, yeah, I'll ask.
What's his name?
I don't know. I don't know. What was his name?
When you talk to on the
I've talked to a lot of people. Anyway,
the administrator. The administrator.
I don't know. Armstrong. I don't know. Anyway, I masked it off and painted it, and that's where it goes. And Mike filmed some of it. I don't know what he got. So anyway, whatever it is, I'm taking the tape off. Anyway, it looks good on there. Didn't it look good? It looks like a dog. My 97-year-old uncle said it looks like a dog. A dog. That looks like a dog. It's beautiful.
Yes.
Can I put it on my wall? He said, yeah, put it on my wall. That'd be great.
Put it up in your.
This whole thing, put it on his wall. I thought it was funny. All right, there you go. There we go.
That thing's heavy.
Yeah, it's pretty heavy. It has to be heavy. The last 60 years, 70 years.
It's lasted longer than that. It's still here.
Yeah.
It's going to last another 100 years now.
Oh, yeah. And you're going to do that sign, aren't you?
Yeah, I'll do that sign.
How long you been working
About
on
a
it?
year from now, it'll be done. No,
you
I'll
get
work
off
on it
If
tonight.
you get off the video games.
Had to order a gasket for that fuel bowl. And they don't sell just the one gasket, so you have to buy the whole damn thing. I paid $61 for an O-ring.
I wonder if we should have this,
Yes,
what,
sandblasted and painted, powder coated,
powder coated?
chrome.
I think black on that, the screen on that.
Yeah, I think that'd be chrome.
Chrome for that,
Yeah,
and then you got that fan.
I polished all those things up, those blades.
Yeah, and I painted this, but if we could get that also,
Powder coated.
I don't know. Let's get the engine running before we do all this stuff.
Well, if you got the engine running and put that on it, you wouldn't take it off again. Would you?
What if the engine don't run?
It's gonna run.
Come on, that's enough.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon.